Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is the new month of December. And usually what we do when we start a new month is to look at what are the market share of the different Windows operating systems. So at the end of the month, we do look at the different Windows 10 versions, but we also look at the different Windows versions when we start the new month. And so what is happening this month? Well, Windows 10 dominating with all the Windows at 75.96%. That's almost 76%. Pretty good. It is down a little bit if you compare it to October, but it about 1.5%, which is still a big drop, but kind of interesting when you look at it. Then we have Windows 7, sorry. That's right now at 17.68%. If you compare that to last month, it was 16.8, so it kind of gained. So it's probably a readjustment maybe of some of the machines and some of the Windows in how they detect the different versions, because kind of weird that Windows 7 would go up, as it's been going pretty much downhill since the beginning of the year. Windows 8.1 and Windows 8, if we put them together, we are at 5%, a little more than 5% of market share. And that is pretty much, if we look at the numbers here of Windows 8.1, 3.79 to 3.98. Yeah, these versions also kind of increased a little bit, so probably more of a readjustment than anything else. And of course, Windows XP and Windows Vista end at 0.79 and 0.46%. But it's obvious that Windows 10 is there and dominating. We are, of course, in a year that started at, so if we look at, and we'll have a more complete picture, but if we look at January of 2020, Windows 10 was at 67.35. So it gained more than 8%, 8.5% throughout the year, basically. We still have, of course, December numbers that will be at the beginning of January, but 8.5%, 9%. That's a nice gain. If we look at Windows 7, Windows 7 started the year in January at 24.9%, so 25%, down to 17.68 in November. So that also is kind of interesting to see 8% drop, roughly. So kind of gained by Windows 10, basically. So these are the numbers, and this is, of course, the dominance of Windows 10. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos on the channel.